Hi everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So today we are going to do an IPO analysis. So we have a company named Fractal Industries. Today I'm going to do the analysis of this company by the document it has shared, and we'll try to figure out its strength, weakness, opportunity, threats, its financial, that we are going to see how the revenue, the profit has been for the last few years. According to that, we are going to come to and conclusion that if this company is worth applying for, the IPO is worth applying for or not. But just a reminder that this is not an investment advisory, this is just an educational video to help you make better trading and investment decisions. Okay, so with that said, let's go to the screen. Alright, so I have prepared one document, summarize the content of the document, headering document that the company has shared, IPO document, and in this one page we will get to see the overall summary of this IPO. Okay, so first of all, what it does. So the name of the company is Fractal Industries Limited and it is into garment manufacturing. Okay, and mainly it supplies this garment through e-commerce sites. Okay, Myntra, Ajio, Flipkart. Okay, it is based out of Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay, now let's scroll down and see the other points. Okay, so main business, garment manufacturing. It makes 3 lakhs plus garments a month at its Mumbai factory, supplying to Myntra, Ajio, Flipkart under their private labels. Okay, supply chain and warehousing, manages end-to-end logistics, returns and inventory across 5 states, acting as the invisible backbone of e-commerce fashion. Right now, the big strategy, launching own D2C, direct to consumer fashion 7, 8, 9, shifting from low margin manufacturing to owning a brand. So this is a brand they own, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and I have opened the website of this one. Okay, I'll share this link, you can go and check it out, and in coming few months and years you will get to see how this business has been going on for them. Now the second big strategy, expanding from tier 1 cities to tier 2 and tier 3 markets across India, which is a good thing. Diversifying across more marketplace to reduce client dependency. This is a very good thing they have adopted. Now, key financial metrics. Okay, latest revenue 85 crores in financial year 2025, 71% up year on year, which is a good thing. 7.5 crores net profit in financial year 25, 232% up in 2 years. This is also a good thing. Then latest EBITDA margin 20.8% is, which is really good, and debt to equity ratio is 1.28, which is improving. That means it used to be higher. Okay, I know normally we consider stocks with debt to equity ratio less than 1, but you need to know that this is recently this IPO is going to be listed, so definitely they must be having that debt which they need to carry out their business. Okay, now coming to the strength and weakness. The strength is that some market clients like Myntra, Ajio and Flipkart are there for available for its product to be sold there. Okay, it is allowing its product to be sold in that platform. Then margins is increasing rapidly from 4.6% to 20.8%. Then it owns a brand 789 which is launched. Okay, pan India warehouse network, which is a good thing. Now what is the weakness? Revenue crashed 44% in 2024 year. Okay, yes, it happened. I have seen the document, it suddenly crashed and we don't know the reason for that. Then too dependent on just 2 to 3 clients. This is also one weakness. Small company, micro cap, SME listing. So definitely it's a small company, and obviously small company's investment means it will be risky. Okay, price band not yet disclosed. Okay, this is one more weakness. Now opportunity. India's e-commerce fashion market is booming. Definitely we know that. Government PLI schemes and PM Mitra textile parks, these are going to help this business. Direct to consumer brands, higher margin potential, which is really good. Gen Z driving mass online fashion demand. Okay, definitely these are the things which are going to create opportunities for this company going ahead. Threats, intense competition from large manufacturers. Obviously, fashion brands, there are plenty, that, and they are trying to enter into this field, so definitely they are going to face stiff competition. Cotton fabric price volatility, yes, it keeps fluctuating, so that is going to affect their revenue, especially their profit. Okay, then platform, algorithm and policy changes. Okay, this is one more thread. Then fast changing fashion trends is equals to inventory risk. Yes, you know, fashion is all about trend. Once something goes out of trend, definitely the things that you have produced, they are going to sit in the warehouse and you are going to bear some losses. So these are the things that they need to be careful about. Now how does it trade? We don't have to see that in detail. Now, should you invest? Consider investing if you are comfortable with high risk, high volatility in small cap stocks, willing to hold 2 to 3 years, let the direct to consumer strategy play out. Yes, definitely. If you are bullish on India's online fashion and e-commerce growth story, then definitely it is for you. Getting this stock at a reasonable P&E price to earning when the price band is revealed. Okay, these are the cases where you should be comfortable investing in it. Okay, avoid it if you are a conservative investor seeking stable predictable returns. Obviously it is not yet listed, this is a small company, so if you are a conservative investor, you should definitely avoid such kind of investment. Okay, if you are uncomfortable with the unexplained 42% revenue crash in 2024, yes, it is something we need to dig deeper into. Then if you are worried about liquidity, SME stocks are hard to exit quickly. Yes, definitely that's a problem. If you are waiting for the price band, no valuation basis available yet. Okay, these are the things where you should avoid this one. Okay, now the bottom line, Fractal Industries is a genuinely improving business, margins tripling, profits soaring, debt falling, but the financial year 2024 revenue crash is a red flag that needs answers. Wait for the price band before deciding, and only invest if you can afford to lock up for 2+ years. Okay, so this is the overall bottom line, and it is good for risk tolerant and long term investor, but not for conservative and short term investors. So this is the overall profile of Fractal Industries. So I hope I have covered some of the points which investors who are looking into apply for this IPO or buy this stock should be looking for the clarity. I hope it did bring some clarity. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse, and if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one to one on Discord, and you can ask your queries. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye, take care.